Assalamualaikum and good night to everyone. We are from Group C, and tonight we are going to discuss our business accounting project. Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Wan Atira.
My name is Wan Kairunisa.
My name is Jane Loyun.
My name is Nurzahin Hazika.
My name is Ani Sophia.
Okay, now we are going to continue our discussion with part A.
For the part A, we need to prepare the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, statement of change in owner equity, and statement of financial position for that enterprise based on the above and adjusted trial balance as of 31 December 2023 and the attached additional information. Zat Enterprise Trial Balance 31 December 2023. Cash account is current asset. Account receivable is current asset. Merchandise inventory is current asset. Office supplies is current asset. Sales supply is current asset. Prepaid insurance is current asset. Long-term investment is non-current asset. Office equipment is non-current asset. Accommodation depreciation office equipment is non-current asset. Delivery van is non-current asset. Accommodation depreciation delivery van is non-current asset. Account payable is current liabilities. Salaries payable is current liabilities. Interest payable is current liabilities. Unearned revenue is current liabilities. Notes payable is current liabilities. Capital Zazala Rashid and withdrawal Zazala Rashid is owner equities. Sale returns and allowance and sale discount is under gross profit.
Operating expenses, advertising expense, depreciation expense, office equipment depreciation expense, delivery van, van repairs and maintenance, sales salaries expense, sales supplies expense, insurance expense, office salary expense, office supply expense, rental expense, utility expense, interest expense. Cost of merchandise sold is under profit or loss. Next, I will discuss the statement of cash account. Additional information. The following items are related to cash transactions throughout the year. Cash and cash equivalents as of 1st January 2023 were 5,054,005. First, Zazala Rashid made a total cash withdrawal of 2 million made a total cash withdrawal of 27,500 in 2023. Cash withdrawal debit. Second, ZA Enterprise received cash 10,000 from the disposal of an old van. Disposal of old van credit. Third, Zazala Rashid invested additional cash of 1,050,000 to increase her stake in ZA Enterprise. Investment by Zazala debit. Fourth, ZA Enterprise bought land for future operational expansion by paying 1,080,000 in cash. Purchase of land debit. Total cash received and disbursement from the business operation were 3,015,000 and 2,055,000 respectively. Cash received from operation debit, cash disbursement from operation credit.
Okay, after we are complete the financial statement in part A, we move for part B. For part B, we need to explain the impact of commission under the reference of the element of accounting equation of result enterprise, especially the net income. For question A, depreciation of office equipment and delivery van for the sum of 35,000 ringgit. The asset of the asset is decreased 35,000 ringgit. For liability, not affected, and for on equity, it is decreased 35,000 ringgit. For question B, unpaid salary of 20,000. The account effect in salary expenses. The effect of the assets are not affected, and for liability increased to 1,000 ringgit, and for on the equity it is decreased to 1,000 ringgit. For question C, the available balance of office supplies in hand was 300. In the trial balance, we have 4,000. So if we look at the question, balance office supplier in hand 300. So we can deduct the uh, 4,000 with 300. So we got 3,700 in assets, and for liability not affected, and on the equity increased to 3,700. And for question D, a total of 7,800 of the unearned revenue was realized. So in the asset not affected, vulnerability is understated for 7,800, and on the equity it is overstated for 7,800.
Next, for question E, a sum of 40,500 ringgit insurance has already expired. The expiration of 40,500 insurance would lead to a reduction in asset and an impact on the equity component of the accounting equation. First is asset decrease, and second, as asset decrease, equity is affected because equity is equal to asset minus liability, and then a reduction in asset leads to a decrease in equity. Next, the billing department forgot to send invoice to a customer for a total sum of 24,400 ringgit. Forgetting to send invoice for 24,400 ringgit would result in a decrease in revenue affecting both assets and equity. Interest revenue of 15,800 ringgit was not recorded. If interest revenue of 15,800 ringgit was not recorded, it could be due to an oversight error or omission in the accounting process. And lastly, suppliers' invoice amounting to 135,000 were misplaced and only recently discovered. Discovering misplaced supplier invoice of 135,000 ringgit would indeed increase liabilities and impact the equity side of the accounting equation. That's all.
Next, we move to part C. Discuss the following situation from accounting and business perspective. With the rapid expansion of Zal Enterprise, Zalzalah Rashid is contemplating the idea of the opening more outlets and strategic location in the city. However, opening more branches requires Zalzalah Rashid to adopt new strategies to support in the increased sales or revenue, credit management and improve account receivable, collection, inventory management, and approach under consideration is regulate the credit terms. And the shipping strategy would significantly impact the account receivable, collection and inventory management. Based on above situation, discuss and advise Zalzalah Rashid on the following. First, the appropriate credit terms to improve, increase sales or revenue, credit management, improve account receivable, collection and inventory management. Second, the appropriate shipping terms to improve increase sales or revenue, credit management, improve accounts receivable, collection, and inventory management. For solving the first part, first, by extending the credit periods to boost sales and revenue, we must appropriate credit terms can be established. Second, offering a longer credit duration may also draw in additional clients. Next, implementation for early payment discount is crucial as it serves to timely payment by offering a discount within a shortness credit periods. Uh, Second, performing comprehensive credit checks before to extending credits as well extensive credit checks on clients. For solving the second part, which is shipping terms, we must include appropriate shipment condition. For example, we can provide free on heavily discount delivery for lot order, or instead specific region might increase sales. Second, flexible shipping option can suit a range of customer need by offering several shipment option including pickup, normal delivery and express delivery. This could lead to an increase in sales and customer satisfaction. And lastly, inventory management also can be achieved by implementing just in time inventory method, or we can use the technology to track inventory in real time. This approach can lower holding costs. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for our discussion. Part A, B, and C. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys can complete our project before the date. And if you guys have any question, you guys can ask in WhatsApp group. That's all. Thank you.